This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. In today's tip, I want to talk about ways that you can minimize the number of cases in your Speedfire. So oftentimes many offices will have multiple furnaces, whether it's a Speedfire or a different ceramic crystallization furnace, and you may not always want to send your cases to the Speedfire. What tends to happen is you'll end up with a lot of cases built up in your Speedfire library that can take up space and make it difficult for you to find cases that you might be looking for. So one tip you can do in the manufacturing phase is under the finishing step, you'll see here I have two different Speedfire furnaces. Both of them currently are in use, but right above it I have an option for no finishing. So if I select no finishing, it won't send the case to the Speedfire, and it won't take up space or slow down the machine or cause any issues finding a case with too many extra cases in there. So one little tip you can do if you're not planning on using the Speedfire, just choose no finishing and it won't send it to the Speedfire when it's done milling. So hopefully this was a helpful tip. We look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.